Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn about an amazing woodworking tool called the wood lathe machine. A wood lathe machine is a special machine used to shape wood by spinning it at high speed. When the wood rotates, a cutting tool is used to remove material and create beautiful round shapes and designs. This process is called wood turning. The wood lathe machine has several important parts. The main parts include the bed, headstock, tailstock, tool rest, and the motor. The bed is the base of the machine that holds everything in place. The headstock contains the motor and spins the wood piece. The tailstock supports the other end of the wood so it stays stable during the turning process. To start working, a piece of wood is fixed between the headstock and tailstock. When the machine is turned on, the wood begins to rotate very fast. Then, the operator carefully uses a cutting tool placed on the tool rest to shape the wood. By moving the tool slowly and carefully, different designs and curves can be created. Wood lathe machines are widely used in woodworking workshops and furniture factories. They are perfect for making round wooden objects. For example, craftsmen use this machine to make table legs, chair legs, wooden bowls, vases, lampstands, and many decorative wooden items. One of the biggest advantages of a wood lathe machine is its precision. It allows woodworkers to create smooth, symmetrical shapes that would be very difficult to make by hand. With skill and practice, a craftsman can create very detailed and beautiful designs. However, safety is very important when using a wood lathe machine. Operators should always wear safety goggles and keep their hands steady while using the cutting tools. The wood must be tightly secured before starting the machine to prevent accidents. In conclusion, the wood lathe machine is an essential tool in woodworking. It helps craftsmen transform simple pieces of wood into beautiful and useful products with smooth and elegant shapes.